Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I have a little unboxing. I have two packages. So one is Enailcouture and one is Twinkled tea. So let's start with this one. I believe this is the Twinkled tea one. So let's see what I got. Oh, look, I don't even need my scissors for this. Oh, maybe I do. Oh no, it opens nice. Smiley mail. The packaging, it says smiley mail. You see that? That's funny. So let's see. What fun stuff did I get? So I will start with this. So this fun little thing. Oops, sorry, lots of noise. Okay, so this is a roller. If I can get the sticker off. There. It is a sticky pad roller. So there's paper protecting it, but it's sticky, so when you do your stamping, because there's more stamping polish, you can clean your stamp on the roller. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use that. So that'll be fun. So I'll play with that in another video. So put that aside. I also got some, oh, how cute. Did we just become besties? Yes, please. So a little card, a little thank you card from Twinkled tea. That is cute. I also got some nail art stinkers. Little stinkers. I got nail art stickers, some stars, looks like here, and some unicorns and rainbows. Couldn't pass those up. So that'd be fun to play with. And I got a little dish. So I figured I can use this for my gems. I can probably use it as a painting palette. I figured there'd be multiple uses. It has a nice ledge, so I can put the gems in there when I'm doing my nails. And then I got several polishes. Ooh, that is pretty. So I got some stamping polishes. Oh, let me open, well, just might as well open them all. So they're all, yeah, they're all stamping polish. So I don't need the, oh, that's pretty. So I got a nice blue. Is there names on here? Nope, no name. So I got that one. So this company is out of LA. Ooh, pretty blue. And, oh, this looks like a nice, ooh, like deep wine color, maroon maybe, we'll say. Merlot. Oh, nice green, like a blue green. What else? And a nice pastel yellow. The packaging super cute. Little unicorn. And a nice dark reddish brown, purple. Hard to tell what that is, but it looks pretty. So nice. So there's one. Move these aside for now. I love that dish. That is pretty. I can't wait to use the nail art. Now the second one. Looks like there's a box in here. My address is on the other side. So we're going to just keep it like this. Ooh, ripping the paper, but that's okay. And can we get in? Maybe not. Woo. And ta-da! And Enailcouture Enailcouture.com, Max Estrada. So let's open this little box up. Oops. The sticker came off, but that's okay. And his packaging's always cute. So if you can see that, XOXO Max Estrada exclusive nail couture. So it's a pretty pink box. I got some clear tips, a ballerina shape. I got the Eternal Beige in the coffin shape, so that's pretty. Like a pinky beige color, so those will be nice. And just came off the package. Foils, so those will be pretty. I wanted to play with their foil products. Plus, I like it. And ooh, look at that. Oh, some little tiny, is it the caviar shaped gems? Those will be a product. I got a new nail bit. So it has one of the safety bits. So it's nice and curved on the edge. So got another one of those. It's the first time I've tried one other bit of theirs. So then I have, what is this? Let's try to get it out. These little scissors come in handy. Okay. Ta-da! Can I get it out? Nope. Let's see. Remover magic. That's right. I forgot I bought that. I'm so excited to try it. So when I get my nails back to health, I have some Remover Magic Gel. So I'm excited to see how this works to remove gel polish and their 1, 2, 3 Go nails. So let's see if it works on that. And one of their cute little nail containers. I love these. So that way I have a place to put these and it'll be a lot easier to use. So that's it. I am looking forward to using this in the future. Gosh. And my little drill bit. Fun little, tiny little caviar looking diamonds. Oh, that's just garbage. It came off. Okay. And then I have, so between Twinkled and Enailcouture, some pretty nails. And I have to wait. So I may just decorate some press-on nails in a future video so I can play with all this goodness. Because right now, what I have on my nails is just the Kiss and Press nails with glue. I use the Kiss glue on it with it. So I just put them on today. I don't know if this is Kiss or Dashing Diva. I had some extras, so I used a little bit of my extras for my accent nail. So that'll be fun. Thought it'd be fun for the week. And underneath I have this time. So this week I've been using the Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth. I've had nothing on my nails for the last 2 days, and I've just been using this. And this afternoon I decided for work I put on some of the press-on nails, so those should last me just fine. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in my unboxing of my Twinkled and Enailcouture haul, and I will see you in a future video. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Toodaloo!